So Steve and I have a 2006 Vibe here in the shop with a 1.8 in it, and we're going to show you how to do a fluid check on this vehicle. This is the same engine as a Toyota Matrix, so it probably should be the same on that vehicle as well.
So we got our master cylinder here. And you can see our fluid level, and if you're not really sure, if you peel the cap off and you put your light over the top of it, a lot of times you can get a clearer view of where it is.
There's a mark on the side where Steve's finger is. It says max.
Yeah, and it's full. It's up to the top over here.
Yeah, there's a max line right here.
Yeah. So
You can probably top it up a little bit.
yeah, probably just a hair. So we can put a little in that. And then the battery, you know, we're looking at the battery. It's got a date on it of 22, so we'll find out when the owner put that in. And then we've got our oil dipstick right here. Pull it out, stick it. The car is actually here for an oil change too. And the level is between the marks. As long as you're in between the two dots here, one here, your level is good. We've already ran it, so it's good. If you check it in the morning cold, the level will actually come up a little towards this other dot. So that's accurate. The oil looks good on it.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean.
Yeah. And then we got our radiator cap over here. So we can pop the cap off. It's cold, so only take it off when it's cold. Don't really, you gotta be very careful if it's hot. You gotta put a rag over it and be very, very careful.
Yeah, you don't want to go into it's hot.
All right, so that looks like it's a little bit low. We're gonna add a little coolant to that. And then here's my overflow jug here.
Yep.
And that looks,
So there's a full mark on the side of it. You can see it right on the film.
yeah, it's right over here, but this is low too.
Okay.
So we're gonna top this off.
Let's top that off right now.
Okay. All right, so we got some all vehicles antifreeze here.
Yeah, so we're gonna top off the radiator.
There you go. We get a little funnel for that one.
Serious, Steve? That's a
Isn't
funnel.
it cute?
Where the hell did you get that? From the little funnel store?
Get it from that Temu.
Steve showed up with this pea shooter funnel.
Yeah. Let's get the light and see how much we put in there.
Yeah, you still gotta come up a lot. Man, this thing was kind of low.
Yeah, it's not at the full mark. It's in between. It's almost at the full mark now. Yeah, but you know, it's got a tiny little reservoir. So I mean, I'm probably adding a little over a quart of antifreeze here. Yeah, it's right up there now.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, and radiator is pretty full. So we're good there. All right, so let's get this cap back on. All right, here's our windshield washer fluid. This is full. You can see the level right down here.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Okay, and then this is our power steering reservoir.
If you needed to add fluid to wipers, you can just pour it into there. There's a little strainer in this one. You can pull that out if it's clogged and clean it.
And then on this side, switch sides.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is the power steering reservoir, and it's got some markings here.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's a little cloudy.
It's got a minimum
Yeah,
hot and cold.
yeah. It's full right there. You can see it switching around. So it's
Yeah.
right at the minimum. We're gonna top this off too. Get some power steering fluid. I'm just gonna put our little cap on. It just sits down in place and clips in. That's for the overflow. All right, so let's get the reservoir for the fluid. Okay, this doesn't need a lot, but we're gonna put some in. Okay, it's right up. All right, so we're just gonna start it and we're gonna check the transmission fluid. Show you. So we can put this in here, pull it out, and you can see the level is up on the stick kind of high now. It's right here. So, and it shows you your level on the side.
Yep.
So. There's a transmission dipstick tube right here. So we're gonna start the car up and we'll run it in either neutral or park and we'll check the fluid level. All right, so you have to bend this little tab back a little pressure on this. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it off. Stick it back down in place. Just use your thumb, you can bend this back, and then you can get the stick out. And we're cold right now, and this shows you hot right here is a level, and the cold level is down here. See where it's cold, and we're above the cold level. So the transmission fluid level is there. And if you look at the fluid, it is pink, it's not burnt, it's clean. So this guy's been taking care of the fluid.
And if you had to top it off a little bit, you can put a funnel right in the hole right there.
Yep, right in the hole, right in here, and top it off.
Yep, it's a little at a time. But stick back in.
Yeah. And that's what you do.